What is going on, guys? The meme stocks are killing it right now. They have the trend, and guys, it's hard to identify a stock right now using our traditional fundamentals. Everything has changed with the meme stock coming in, and that's what I want to talk about. The trend or the wave is your friend, guys. We have to identify those things when they happen. Remember when the EV was happening, everybody was jumping on the EV trend. We upped on NEO, and we made several videos about NEO, and we made tons and tons of money. I think at the time that I was making the video, we got in around $12 all the way to $60, and today that trend is over, and there came crypto trend. And on our channel we made a crypto video when Bitcoin was trading around $10,000. It went all the way to $60,000, and today nobody is talking about crypto either. And that's where I want to zero in our conversation today, identifying the trends. When we identified the EV trend, we upped on it. Crypto trend, we upped on it. And now today we're talking about the meme stock. And today the meme stocks are having that trend. It's just hard to tell when this trend is over and we'll be ready to jump on another trend. Guys, I think of a trend as a wave. When the wave comes in, you hop on the wave till the wave slowly dies out. The key is jumping on the trend before the wave dies out. And here is the key, guys. You have to sell. You don't make profits if you don't sell. What's going to happen is you're going to see those profits dwindle all the way to those profits are no longer there, and you'll be stuck with those bags. The key here is identifying when the trend is happening and hopping on that train so that we can ride the trend when it's happening and hopping off before the wave is over, right? And that's very tricky because we cannot tell the future. The best thing we can do is identify, like we know that the trend is happening in meme stock, hump on the trend, right? You don't want to presume that you're gonna catch the trend before it starts. It's practically impossible. So the goal here, at least on this channel, we're trying to hop on the trend because we know the trend is happening, right? Get that 10-15% and we out. We don't want to be greedy, and that's a common mistake people make. They get greedy, and before they know it, the trend is over and they are left holding those bags. And then you're thinking to yourself, well, now that I've sold my stock, where do I invest? Well, guys, there's always investment that comes around. Remember, this is not the only trend that we have experienced. Remember the SPACs? Everybody was talking about the SPACs, and that trend died. And believe me, there will be another trend coming in no time. What we don't want to do is get left on holding the bags, because we don't know when these stocks will revive again. Some of these stocks might take years or months for them to revive, and we just don't have that time and money sitting in a stock and waiting for that stock to revive. Alternatively, guys, what you can do is cut off your losses and sell your stocks and say, I don't want to be waiting for 6 months to a year for these stocks to come back. I'll rather cut my losses at 25% and move on to other stocks. That is a strategy you can use depending on your portfolio if you don't want to wait for a long time. But for people with more leverage, they got money sitting in one stock for a long time, the best thing is for let that money sit in there and wait as long as they can so that they can at least sell at a profit. But not everybody has got the luxury for money to be sitting in one stock or 3 stocks for a long time, and for those people, they're gonna end up selling at a loss. But again, what are you gonna do? Just sit there, watch the stock for a long time, or you cut your loss and move on and start trading, right? So yes, tough choices there. And that brings me to a point that all these investment portfolios, they're just numbers behind the screen. If you don't sell, you are not in profit. They don't mean nothing until you sell the stocks and you are in profit. Guys, remember to sell your profit. Whenever your stock is going up, you sell. Take a little bit of your profit until you recoup all your investment money and all you have is house money. At that time, you feel a little bit more comfortable to play with house money. So here is a question for you guys. Is a meme stock too late to hop on the trend, or the trend is already over, or they still some steam that somebody can, try to milk out 10-15%? Let me know. And guys, if you haven't subscribed or give this channel a like, please do so. It really goes a long way supporting this channel, guys. Cheers.